Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this dining chair. So let's get into it. In step 1, we're going to take piece 3 and put it in between piece 2. And you can differentiate piece 3 from 2 because this little part right here is flat on top and this part is curved on the bottom. Piece 2 is the opposite. So we'll go ahead and stand up piece 2 and then take piece 3 and put it in between piece 2. You'll line up the bottom little peg and then you'll line up the top ones and just kind of bend them into place like that. And then you should see both of these sharper curves right here on the same edge and both of these flatter edges on this part. And then we can take our bolt A and put it into the bottom. And then we can tighten it the rest of the way with our Allen key. Okay, and then we'll put the one in the top. This one goes through the bottom. You may just kind of have to bend them into place a little bit. And then once it's in, we can tighten it the rest of the way with our Allen key. All right, and then once that's tight, we can move on to step 3, which is just attaching the legs to the bottom of the chair. When we'll do that, we'll just flip over this chair here, and then we want these curvier parts to be at the back of the chair. So we'll go ahead and flip it over like this, and then get our bolts ready as well. And on these, we just want to make sure that we have the washer and the lock washer on them. The lock washer goes first, and then the normal washer goes next. So now we can line up the holes and put the bolt in with our fingers. And then we'll want to make sure we get all of the bolts in before we tighten them. Okay, and then once we get them all in, we can go ahead and tighten them the rest of the way with our Allen key. All right, and then once they're all tight, we can flip it over. And then step 4 is just adjusting these back feet to level out the chair if necessary. But other than that, we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new dining chair. For more tips, tricks, and guides, go to walkeredison.com.